Hello, welcome back to another episode of the Hypixel. Oh my gosh, who opened a door? Interrupted my flawless intro. What a scam. Okay. Oh yeah, I'm supposed to be fishing. And another door. I think my mom's doing laundry or something. I am getting comboed into the shadow dimension. What was that, dude? I am terrible at this video game. Maybe because I'm not paying attention. I'm supposed to be fishing right now. Leave me alone, man. Hang on. My nose is stopped up. I don't have tissues next to me. I can't even blow it. What a scam. Okay, we're gonna fish. No one's gonna stop me. Who ruined my flawless intro? I don't know. So guess what? We're gonna do it again. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the pit. Again. What is this? Episode 6? I can't count. Maybe it's episode 6. I don't even remember at this point. I recorded a lot recently. And I have like 4 or 5 videos that I need to upload at this moment, so you're going to be getting this video like weeks in the future. The maps have probably already cycled back around at this point, honestly. Like, yeah. That's how bad my upload schedule is, once a week. Terrible. Anyways, what are we doing in this video? Oh yeah, Prestige 4. That is our only objective. I actually had to go to the dentist today for the 2nd day in a row because I take terrible care of my teeth. I had 4 cavities. Yeah, 4 whole cavities. Can you believe it? Like, I should be taking better care of myself, man. Like, how am I supposed to smile for my face reveal? At 15 million subscribers. That's right. 15 million. And you will get my face. You know, I was planning on doing a toe reveal at 100 subscribers, but it's a bit late for that. I hit 100 a while ago, so guess what? You get a toe reveal at 1,000 subscribers, and then you get another one at 2,000, and so on, until 10,000, you've unlocked all 10 of my toes, and then at 20,000, you get the whole foot. I'm still deciding which foot, but it's a good deal, trust me, you should subscribe. That was such a good segue. Or is it called segment? I am not sure how to YouTube right now, so who knows? Huh. Let's see here. I am a humble fisherman. This is incredibly boring. I really just want to like go do something else right now, but like I gotta fish. It's the safest option. 25 XP per fish. That better be good. Explosive. I like explosives. Somebody just walked up the stairs. I was not paying attention at all. ADHD is a blessing and a curse, man. Like, I can focus on multiple things at once. But that's impossible, because you can only focus on one thing at once. But I say that because ADHD, I can switch my attention between 2 things at, like, abnormal rates. The only problem is I cannot control when or what I switch my attention to. Like, I am hyper-focused on this fishing rod right now. There's a man here. Hi. Do not steal my gold or I will steal your life. I caught a fish. I'm so good at this. By the way, I am just, like, stacked on items. Quit doing that. You're scaring the fish. How did I catch that? I took like 12 years, man. That gold ingot. I mean, it's inanimate object, so whatever. It's reasonable. Finally, an actual fish. Okay, beat him up. You can do this. I believe in you. Die, 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 die. Didn't even deal damage to you. I just did this. And nope, I am dying because this man hates me. This is like the 8 billionth time he's hunted me. I'm kind of getting tired of it, honestly. Is he still here? He is. My #1 enemy, my arch nemesis, King Whoop. You see, King Whoop, normally he wouldn't be a problem, but you see, the thing is, EXRP is offline and therefore cannot you are destroying me? I do not like this. Hang on. We're just gonna, oh, okay, we'll just wait for To be out of combat real quick. Here, I have a present for you. Here, take that. Oh. Do I need these? Why am I being given all these things? I typed that paragraph so well. What? Oh. Gave... Plus, I won a raffle. Alright, time to go streak. I'm gonna put on my big boy pants now. Oh yeah. And he's gonna murder me again, isn't he? Yep, nope, we're walking away now. Shoo. I don't like this. Still don't know why I owe him Vile. He hasn't made that clear yet. Where'd he go? Is he here? Is he there? I have no idea. Where'd he go? I still don't know what I did wrong, man. Like, this man just wants me dead. Who's this? They're after me, man. I don't know why. But I'm wanted. This is the kind of thing. Like, this is just America 101. I literally don't, dude. Where in the chat does it say this? Am I being actually blind? Okay, let's see here. Go, say it. Right now, I am paying attention. I am fishing. Oi, I am fishing. Let me fish in peace. You are being incredibly rude. This is assault. Let me catch a fish, dude. What do I have to do around here? Wow. New low, man. New low. Dang, how bad at the game do you have to be to, like, go around hunting down a fisher? Like, how bad? I wasn't even fighting back here. Leave me alone, man. I am going to start fighting back. Like, you are going to be killed soon. I am fishing. Let me be. This man absolutely despises me for doing what? Fishing? No, leave me alone. They're gonna stab me to death. I got XP. Let's go. I'm slowly winning. Who wants 1v? Let's see here. Who wants a vial? Who wants a vial? Anybody here want a vial? I didn't even say there was a catch yet. Why is no one taking me up on this offer? Go away. Okay, you know what? We're stabbing back now. We're gonna kill them. Destroy them. Beat them up, man. Kill. Die. Comboed into the Shadow Realm and I'm still dead. What is this? This is how big of a difference gear makes in the pit, dude. Nobody's here. Go away, bro. Let me fish in peace. Why can't I have a peaceful fishing session? Anybody want a vial? Does anybody here want vial? I swear, does anybody want... Does nobody want vial? Nobody wants a vial. Okay. Why is no... I'm literally offering a free vial, essentially. Like, they only see me saying, who wants vial? Like, they don't see the part about murdering somebody. Shh, no one's here. You can let me fish in peace, and then you can be... Oh, no, no one's here. Promise. Oh, shoo, go away. Stab him, yes. Nope, I'm gonna die. Die. That's right, go away. Yeah, get him. Beat him up. I appreciate you. I'm fishing for experience. Oh yeah. Yeah, take that. No, that's my friend. You will not murder him. I swear. Let me fish in peace, bro. I will catch this last fish. Yes, you killed him. Thank you. Level 120. Oh my gosh. Let me type in the chat. You are so annoying. Go away. Shoo. Nobody likes you. Oh my... Go away right now. I swear you're dead. Thank you. Oh, finally. I can prestige. Okay. Ooh. Yo, we did it, boys. We did it. So just leave me alone. I know I just made so many people mad. Everyone probably hates me. But it was worth it, man. The memes. The memes, okay? It was funny. It was funny, okay? It was hilarious. Alright, it was absolutely hilarious. Someone's botting mid. What a disappointment, man. Who's down there? Casually grinding. Tributons. And, okay. Mods, I'm gonna send this to you and you can ban all of these hooligans, okay? May Zeus strike me down if I am wrong. Anyways, I think I'm gonna end the video there just because I can. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this episode of the Hypixel Pit. I will see you guys next week unless I fix my upload schedule and make it better. Bye!